What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I hope everyone is having a good day today. So I just want to make this video today because BeamNG.Drive had a small update. So I was going to go through some things and check some things out and figure out to make a video on it so you could see it as well. And that also brings me to my next point. So date today is June 17th. So next week, or this week, sorry, I'm going to post this video probably on Monday of next week, which that date will be 21st, I believe. Let's see. The 20th. So the 20th, this video will be posted. So I'm probably going to take a break for the rest of that week just so I don't get burnt out because I've been posting videos pretty much every weekday for the last, I think, almost 4 months now, 3 months. So anyways, I have some modded maps installed, so I'm not looking at those today. But this one right here, the garage, is a new one I have not checked out yet. So we're going to spawn in here and see what it's all about. They also added a new car that I saw yesterday because I was just messing around and I saw it after the update. Yeah, this is the first time messing with this, so I have no idea what this is about. Vehicles. Okay. Oh, here's the new car right here, so we can get this out. Let's see. Oh, that's sick. It's like a rally build on here. This car looks fun. Grab this one. This looks sick. It's a load car. Can we, like, rev it up or anything? Huh. Interesting. So paint. Let's see what this will do. Oh, sick. Okay. Paint 2. Nice. That's pretty cool. Red and blue. I'm just messing around. As you can tell. Get like a goldish color on there. Looks interesting, but it's okay. License plate, dark owl. Black roof. Just leave it on what it was before. Chassis, cut chassis, what does that mean? Okay, so I think that's what the rally car build has. Tune. Oh, nice. So you can do all this stuff too to it. Change the gear ratios, all good stuff. Camber. Tire pressures. And it looks like you can save it down here. Oh, test. Let's see where this takes us. That's pretty cool. Oh, nice. It just brings us to this testing map. Let's see what this car has. Dink. I love the slow motion. This game is so cool. And we're still driving. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna get the rally build of this out. Let's see if there's any other new stuff too while we're in here. Pretty sure all these other cars are either mods I've downloaded or the old cars before the update. Also, I want to see if they had any new, whatever you would call these things to destroy your vehicle with. Doesn't look like anything new, just mods. Also, let me know down in the comments if you want to see any of these mods in use. I have a couple other videos on my channel with some of this stuff, but you can always do whatever you guys want to, guys and gals. So we're gonna throw this, grab this guy. Replace current. Oh, look at that thing. That's sick. The exhaust right in the middle. The turbo. Landed it. This thing is sweet. Dink. Nice. I wonder if there's any like dirt patches on this map. Also, this can be a longer video, pretty sure, so let me know if you like longer videos or shorter videos, or any feedback would be awesome. Alright, let's see how it handles these rocks with the suspension. Really? Come on. There we go. Golden. Oh, dude, that's awesome in the mud. Let's go. Nice, dude. That's so sick. This thing actually drifts pretty good. Surprising. Let's hit this full speed. Slow motion. Oh, it just floats over it. Kind of. There we go. Come on. I kept hitting the slow motion button. What's going on here? Something's damaged. That's alright. We'll just reset real quick. Two-step activation. Oh man, I didn't mean to do that. Let's reset real quick again. Man, this thing handles so good. This mud right here is so sick though. Alright, let's go do some carnage to this thing. Going way over there. See what happens. Full speed. If I don't hit anything on the way. Cross your toes. 145. Not bad. Well, we're flying. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not even bad. It was like a ramp. Let's go to a different map here. Go to like Utah or something. Let's go to Utah. Let's go to the airfield. There's a lot of dirt sections. Alright, and we're back. I'm gonna edit out those loading screens. So that way you guys don't have to sit through those like I do. Because it's not as fun as playing the game. I mean, actually I don't know what you're into, so maybe you do like sitting through loading screens. To each their own. This car is so much fun, dude. Let's just send it. It's cartwheeling. I love when cars do that. Wonder what other kind of stuff we can do with this thing. Let's see. Oh, sick. We can't change the livery, what do you call it? Fuel tank. Oh, it's diesel? Nice. High performance radiators. Horn. Body. Cage. Bumpers. Safety electronics. Spare tire holder. So basically, we have everything added to it right now. Go to tuning and drop the tire pressures and see if it makes a difference. Make the wheel offset all the way up. No, it didn't even really make a difference. Man, this thing is so much fun. It's so easy to handle too. It's insane. Minus that tree that ripped the wheel off. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good rest of your day.